Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the clock app and selecting Alarm because that's where sound settings live. Tap an existing alarm or press the plus button to create one. This immediately exposes the sound options. Once done, make sure Do Not Disturb isn't blocking alarms, since that can mute notifications. This first step gets you into the alarm editor so you can change tone, volume, and behavior before moving to the custom sound selection. Now you pick the actual alarm sound. Tap ringtone or alarm sound inside the alarm editor to see built-in tones. These are quick and reliable. If you want a custom MP3, choose Add Local Ringtone, then navigate Files to select your file. You do this because the phone links that file as the alarm audio. Make sure the MP3 is not corrupted and is under a few MB for faster loading. If necessary, trim or rename the file in File. Finish by saving the alarm and turning it on, then set a quick test for 5 minutes to confirm the sound plays. You want to verify now rather than miss an important wake-up. If the alarm is silent, check sound and vibration for alarm volume separately from media volume because they are independent. If problems persist, restart the phone or reselect the tone. This refreshes system caches and usually fixes playback or permission glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.